All right, what's up, y'all? Chris One Radio Group. I'm going to ask that, in fact, if you're new to the channel, please hit that thumbs up button. There's a lot of individuals that want to get at me, got some things that they want to talk to me about. Well, once you join me over on ConnectPal, link will be below the video. My number where you can call me between 12 and 4 Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday, is available to all my ConnectPal connects. So I'll leave that information at the bottom of the video. If you want a copy of my book, When Dads Cry, I'll leave that information at the bottom of the video as far as a $25 contribution for a signed autograph copy. But if in fact you just want to get a copy from the publisher, I'll leave that information, as well as individuals that want the ebook or the audio book. All right. I'm going to leave the link to both my Red Pill franchises, my Red Pill channels, Red Pill Fab. Of course, Fab means facts about broads. Red Pill Fam, facts about men. I'm gonna leave that information at the bottom of the video. And of course, I do my 3-hour morning show over on League Logic. I'll leave that information. You can subscribe to me on all my channels. And of course, my ConnectPal channel is subscriber supported, okay? But one of the perks is you get to, I gotta update that too on the perks. So, all right. I wanna talk to you guys about something that you can go verify it with an attorney. We help individuals with this over here at the League of Dads. It's just not our primary function, and that is file bankruptcy to get your license back. If I can first tell you what happens when you file bankruptcy, you take the jurisdiction from family court and switch it over to federal court. Now, what does that mean, jurisdiction? If I could give you a couple of examples. One, if you've seen the movie Die Hard, the very first one with Bruce Willis, and the two guys came over there and said, I'm Agent Johnson, and he's Agent Johnson, no relation. And he says, we're taking over this operation. Once the feds get involved, the feds have jurisdiction. If you understand the structure of court, every court, county court that you go to are licensed by the federal court to deal with civil issues, etc., etc. Family courts only want to be bothered when the law, the hammer needs to be laid down. That's why, for those, another example that I can give, when Tekashi 6ix9ine, when he got in trouble, the feds got involved. And the feds got involved because he did multiple things across multiple jurisdictions. And once you exceed multiple jurisdictions, you now turn it into a federal jurisdiction. All right. So bankruptcies are done in federal court. How does bankruptcy help you get your license back? The reason why you lost your license in the first place is because county court sent information to your motor vehicles and told them that you in fact have child support arrearages, and they are telling them to in fact suspend your driving privileges. Now, once again, everything that I say, please go verify it with an attorney. And what you're going to ask that attorney is, because I didn't say anything about bankruptcy, your arrearages can be wiped away. I didn't say that. I said your arrearages can be put in a Chapter 13 bankruptcy for a reconstruction payment plan. You're going to have to pay it all back. But family court will no longer have jurisdiction, because family court will no longer have jurisdiction. They can't suspend your license. They cannot put you in jail for it, because they don't have jurisdiction over it anymore. All right. Now, a lot of people, once again, don't understand what this means. So I'm going to try to come at it through multiple perspectives to give you a full understanding on what exactly it means. When you get a child support order and you don't pay, there's repercussions. And those repercussions is suspend your license or put you in jail. But what would happen if the reason why you got your license suspended and why they want to put you in jail? Hey, what's up, homie?
What's up, OG?
Ain't nothing, man. I'm making a video right quick. Let me hit you back when I'm done.
No doubt. Okay.
My man. All right, so a lot of you guys, you don't understand this perspective. Damn, I gotta stretch my back out. God dang. So, once again, go ask an attorney. I'm not telling you nothing here that's not true. Go ask an attorney. Now, here's what happens when you go talk to an attorney about your child support arrearages when you got to go to court for child support. You got to understand one thing about an attorney, and an attorney is an officer of the court. That's what an attorney is. An officer of the court will not take you to court, especially under child support. And what I mean by that is, child support is a give me. When you don't pay it, you're guilty. The courts is they're gonna blackball any attorney that's gonna try to help you with this situation. So, I have been hearing cases about individuals that didn't use the League of Dads or my parent company, League Legal, for their bankruptcy, and attorneys was asking them to sign an affidavit where they would not put their child support in their bankruptcy. And the reason why, once this is done, you're now continuing to leave it open for the courts to do it to your backside. So they said, no, that's not what the dude on YouTube told them. That's not what the dude on YouTube said. And then they came to me to help them with their issue. People, I don't like attorneys. I don't like attorneys. Don't like them, not one bit. I don't like attorneys. I don't like them. I don't like attorneys. Attorney, the word attorney means to turn over. An attorney is an officer of the court, and they're going to turn you over to that court. They're going to see to it that you are held to the full extent of the law. You know, one thing we got to understand about our judicial system, everybody gets a crack at trying to manipulate the system. And when you file bankruptcy, you have manipulated the system under the context of, you thought you was going to get me, but I found a way out. I found the clause. I found something where as though you can't get me. That's what that does. Appreciate those thumbs up, y'all. Once again, if you're new to the channel, man, please, man, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. And don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, man. Like my videos. So, and let me tell you something. I've been doing this enough that a lot of attorneys know the secret is out. And the secret is out meaning I've been saying this now for years, and attorneys don't want you. Attorneys want to keep you ignorant. Attorneys and doctors are all one and the same. They want to continue the craft of needing them, so they're not going to tell you things or not try to tell you natural remedies where you can do this yourself. Now, let me just tell you something that you just it's gonna floor you. You don't even have to file the full. You don't even have to file the full bankruptcy. All you have to do is file the petition. You don't have to file the full bankruptcy. On my CONNECTPAL channel, I'm going to do a video to show individuals how to file the petition. Or I'm going to do bankruptcy seminars. I actually do it now for veterans. And when you listen to me, you're going to get everything you need to get ahead. That's what's going to happen. So hit that thumbs up button. And like I said, don't listen to me. Take what I said, go ask an attorney. And what you're going to ask that attorney is, can I take my bankruptcy, my child support arrearages, and my alimony arrearages? This works for alimony too. Put them in a Chapter 13 bankruptcy for a reconstruction payment plan. 13, not a 7. All right? Now get on out of here. Later, y'all.